This problem is for white to kill the black group on the corner. If white tries to reduce black's eye space, black will not play this and let white kill the bulky 5 shape. Black will instead play at the 2-1 point, and now these 2 points are miai for white, and white will fail this way. Therefore, the key point for white is to play here at the 2-1 point. Black will try to enlarge its eye space, but in the end, this will be a corner bent 4 shape, which is a dead shape for black. If you are not familiar with this pattern, please check out lesson 209 in chapter 2, Life and Death, on my channel. There I explain in detail why this pattern is a dead pattern for black. Overall, the takeaway from this problem is that white's reduction of black's eye space will not work this way. And that is why white must come in and make a corner bent 4 shape to kill black. As you can see, the corner bent 4 shape is actually very helpful in many life and death problems, and in real games as well. So please make sure you understand everything that I cover in lesson 209. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the comments, and I'm happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.